Sana tangke wani yarungni shimi khoboi belai khom bromoi jotono tabok high demand teruk ke wa rangchakni hai morok naikha hnei khaka jagai tongo wani kat tei abono bahaike samungo thepawi man abono tei tini agulini pragya babano CSIRAMPRI ni luajima bai kaisa workshop panda chengjaka montri okra yakchu muchang Jishnudev Burmani yaktei.
We already have 5-6. We will cover for 10 more. So the 15 villages, I think, we can have these small community centers, which use these materials as building materials, construction material. That will showcase your material and be more effective. And then we can organize, people to go there and see the material, whether it is long lasting or not, how it weathers in the monsoon-prone area of Tripura. All that can be demonstrated on the field. So we'll have to get some funding, I think, for that.
Chini mani rokno je haike chung nang masuk samugo thepawi tongo a haike no chini barja bokalayo amani rokno khatinani teibo koktemarok saimanani bagai nai tongbaidi kokkhara.